Yeah, some notes on the design profession, research, communication, the design process and designing for industry. The design profession. A designer is a professional person and must be totally responsible for supplying a full rationale for his or her visual and material actions. A code of practice is essential to maintain a quality control over all aspects of the working profession. A designer is somebody who plots, plans, and develops schemes. Design is the system by which creative problem solving is controlled and repeated effectively and efficiently. Research. To be able to project your ideas forward, you must understand what has gone before, what is happening today, and what is projected to happen in the future. The gathering of reference material is a fundamental part of education, and it is from your research that new ideas can evolve. Communication. Communication is the basic work tool of the design professional. While studying, it is essential that you develop the ability to form both visual and oral dialogues, as exchanges of information on different levels using various media are daily occurrences in the design profession. Develop all aspects of your communication skills. A client presentation must be capable of communicating all the information that you require to get the result you want. The design process. The design process that you develop during your course will become the foundation upon which you build your professional career. The basic design process will inform with each separate brief. The design process. A simplified summary of the main stages. 1. Produce product definition. 2. Produce concise but detailed brief. 3. Review the brief with the designers. 4. Research. 5. Finalizing the brief, agreeing responsibilities. 6. Concept design. 7. Presentation of concept design. 8. Agreeing concepts for development. 9. Design development and detailing designs. 10. Prototypes. 11. Prototype evaluation. 12. Production planning. 13. Design refinements. 14. Final presentation. 15. Design freeze. 16. Pre-production prototype. 17. Tooling. 18. Manufacture. 19. Project review. Outline of a brief. Subjects to be added into the brief could include background information on commissioning organization and the subject, context and nature of the design project, details on the marketing and business background, clearly stated project objectives, description of the target audience, competitors, what make the competitors successful, any special features or functions, properties required in the product, numbers to be produced, and timing, names and roles of the people in the organization who have authority to approve the work at each stage, budgets, constraints, performance standards, environmental considerations, safety, size, weight, confidentiality. Each stage of the design project undergoes assessment before the next can begin. The basic stages of the design process are not rigid and should encompass a wide circle of exploratory techniques. This circle of exploration should become smaller and smaller as the project nears the final stages. Take advantage of the design process to develop and widen your experiences through visits to factories, showrooms, design studios, exhibitions, and group discussions. Designing for industry. Learn and understand the consequences of industrial processes and become fluent in the language needed to converse with industry. Make sure you are always aware of technical developments and methods and how these developments affect the structure, form, and overall appearance of designed items. Make contact with the industry now and nurture your contacts through interested dialogues and, above all, original questioning, professional debate. Roger Bateman, 14th of June, 2008.